How to fix Redmi Note 7 automatic rotate not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Redmi Note 7 automatic rotate not working problem. So guys, if your automatic rotate is not working on your Redmi Note 7, then guys, how you can fix this problem. Okay, so if you are facing this problem, or if you are facing automatic rotate is not working, then guys, how you can fix this problem. Okay, I'm going to tell you the solution in this video. If you want to know, then guys, you have to watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's start our video. Okay, so guys, as I have told you how you can fix Redmi Note 7 automatic rotate is not working. Okay, if your automatic rotate is not working, then guys, how you can fix it. Okay, to fix this issue, guys, firstly scroll down your bar. Okay, scroll down your bar, and guys, you have to enable your automatic rotate once. Okay, enable, disable, do it like that 3 4 5 times, do it like that, enable and disable, and try if your problem is fixed or not. Okay, first try to on off of your automatic rotate, and guys, clear your recent from here. Okay, you can clear your recent by clicking on recent button, and guys, make sure that you have cleared all the recent from your home screen. Okay, so guys, click on your X mark and clear all the recent from here. Okay, after clearing your recent, go and enable the automatic rotate mode. Okay, and try, your problem will be fixed, because sometimes the gyro got locked because of not clearing your recent. Okay, so to clear up, so when you clear up the recent, then guys, your gyro make disabled. So guys, sometimes the problem come because of your gyro. Okay, so firstly you have to turn on off of your rotate mode. Okay, so firstly do that, and after that clear your recent and try it again. If this is working, then guys, your job is done. If it is not working, then you have to restart your phone. Okay, after restarting, try again. If your problem is fixed or not, check it. Okay, if your problem is not fixing, then guys, go to your setting. So after going to setting, guys, scroll down and search for application, as you can see here. Okay, so click on application and search manage app. After finding manage app, go there. Okay, after going to manage app, search for system launcher. So click on search bar and type here system. So you'll find here system launcher. Okay, so now open your system launcher. After that, first you have to make force stop, as you can see here. Okay, so click on force stop. So after force stopping your system launcher, you have to be clear data. Okay, so now clear all data from your system launcher. So after clearing data, you have to go back and check whether your update is available or not in your Android phone. Okay, so now go back and go to setting again and check your about phone. If there is asking for update, then guys, you have to update it right now. Okay, if your software update is available, then guys, you have to update your software. After that, restart your phone and your problem will be definitely fixed by here. So guys, this is the solution to fix your auto rotate not working problem. I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching.